you're looking for an off-market fixer, look no more. Check out this 6-bedroom, 5.5 bath, over 6,400 square feet property, estate property, on over an 80,000 square foot lot. And get this, the plans are approved. So you can step into this property and start swinging hammers immediately. Here in Oakland Hills, this is a really exclusive property with over $1.5 million of profit. So you want to check out the rest of this property, look from overhead, bring your potential, bring your style, and be prepared to make a lot of money on this flip. Click the link and get more information. So there's over $1.5 million of profit on this deal right now. So don't wait until they lower the interest rates, and then Alibaba and the 40 Thieves and every developer is trying to hop on this deal because of the fat profit margin. All right, so DM me, click the link below, connect with me ASAP. Don't wait, hop on this deal now.